Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Lake Tehopecaliga in the middle of St. Cloud, Florida. And I've already made a water review of this boat, but today, where did it go? There it is. Today I'll be using this 360 camera. Apparently it gives you like a really wide angle that you can see almost everything. It almost feels like there's a drone in front of me because it hides a selfie stick. So yeah. Because on my last video, I deleted the drone footage by mistake. Today I'm gonna record with this on the SD415 and with the drone footage. So let me get to work on that. Okay. Let me go ahead and get you guys all the way out. So apparently, this hides the selfie stick. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get that situated in my hand. Make sure I don't lose it. Sorry for the shakiness. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of angles. I'm gonna first do in front of me, side to side, behind me, and then on top of me, and then the drone footage. So, here we go. Behind me. I gotta do a shot behind me. Okay, now, right above me, let's see how I can stabilize this. well, that is it for this, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you watching the video. I hope you guys found this video informative. Again, I already have like the unboxing video and water review. I took this boat to an island. It's just that I missed the drone footage and I'm trying that new camera. So guys, I'll see you guys the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.